So over here, you can see that I am in my Wikipedia page right here. And let me just go around onto, let's say, for example, Windows 10 page right here. So you can see that the page has loaded, and let's say there's an unexpected error, or there have been some changes over here on this page that you want to view. In that case, you can go around and reload the page. And to do that, you can go around and click on the refresh button right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the page gets refreshed over here. Everything gets loaded again, and you can see the blink right here on how that happens. So that is one. And another feature is that you can mute site as well. So over here, you can see that I got my Toon Boom tutorial over here. And if I were to press the play button,
similar to Adobe.
So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So I have my audio, but let's say what I want is I want to mute out the audio from this particular site, that is YouTube itself. In that case, you can go around and right click on the tab, and then over here you can see that mute tab is an option over here, just like this. So once I go around and do that and press the play button, you don't hear out anything. That is because the tab has been muted, and you can see the mute button over here on the top.
To learn more about it.
So you can go around and click on the speaker button right here to mute and unmute, just like this.
Fine for frame by frame animation, and
there you go. And that is how you can go around and utilize the reload option and then the mute site option inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.